Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we're gonna check out a brand new smartphone from Asus. It's the Zenfone Max M1. They've launched this new phone yesterday along with the Zenfone Lite L1. It's like the big brother of Lite L1 that comes with better specs and a slightly increased price tag. The Zenfone Max M1 costs around 7 to 7,500 rupees. I'm not sure about the price because this product was under embargo while making this video. So let's just get started with the unboxing. The new Zenfone Max M1 comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the Zenfone Max M1 branding on the front and it says 4G VoLTE at the bottom. Let's check out the back. You've got some specs of the phone here. We have the gold color variant. It comes with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, supports 4G VoLTE, has a 5.45-inch HD plus IPS display, Snapdragon 430 octa-core CPU, a 13 megapixel camera on the back and an 8 megapixel camera on the front. So those were some of its specs. Coming to the pricing details, the price on the box is 9,599, but as I've told you, you'll most probably get this for around 7 to 7,500 rupees. I'll keep you guys updated about the price in the comment section down below. So that was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, let me just tear the packaging. I want to thank Asus for sending me this product for review. So the outer cover slides out like this and inside we've got another mini box at the top. It says "We love photo." Let's take it out and see. I wonder what do we have in it. Okay, we get a SIM ejection tool here and some paperwork in the box. You get a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. And here is the phone. Comes nicely packed in this cover. We'll just check out the phone in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You get a USB cable for charging and data transfer and an Asus branded 5V 2A power adapter. So these are all the items we got in the package. Now let's check out the phone. So here it is guys. Let me just take it out of the cover. And this is how the Zenfone Max M1 looks like. It feels a bit more premium compared to the Lite L1 that we unboxed yesterday. It's got a 2.5D glass on the front and a metallic finish at the back. Looks beautiful in gold color. It's also not that heavy, feels quite lightweight, weighs only around 150 grams. So on the front you've got a 5.45-inch HD plus 18:9 full view IPS display. The phone is not that big, feels comfortable to hold in the hand. At the top you got an 8 megapixel f2.2 camera, an earpiece, some sensors and a selfie LED flash. That's it, there's nothing else on the front. Coming to the right you've got a power button and a volume rocker above that. The power button has a nice textured finish, gives the phone a decent look, and the quality of the buttons is also good. They feel tactile and clicky. At the top you've only got a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left side you have a triple slot SIM card tray and a secondary noise cancellation mic. And at the bottom you have a regular micro USB Type-B port, a microphone and a single down-firing speaker. Coming to the back side, this is how it looks like. It has a nice metallic premium finish in gold, but I guess the body is actually made of plastic. You got the Asus logo here, a sticker with some info and a fingerprint scanner above the logo. And here is its camera. It's got a 13 megapixel f2.0 PDAF Pixel Master camera, which is the same found in the Zenfone Lite L1. But it looks a bit nice over here with the chamfered edges around the camera and says f2.0 aperture below that. There's also a single tone LED flash below the camera. So that was our overview on the Zenfone Max M1. I like the design of the phone. It's got a smooth rounded body that feels nice to hold in the hand. It's also not that heavy, weighs only about 150 grams. The fingerprint scanner is also placed in a good position, easily accessible by a finger. Alright, let's power on the phone and see if it's got some juice in it. By the time it boots up, let's go through the specs. The Zenfone Max M1 has a 5.45-inch HD plus IPS 18:9 full view display with the 2.5D glass. It's powered by Snapdragon 430 octa-core CPU clocked at 1.4 GHz, has 3 GB RAM, 32 GB of internal storage which is also expandable up to 256 GB using a micro SD card. It's got a 13 megapixel f2.0 Pixel Master camera at the back and an 8 megapixel f2.2 camera on the front. It comes with 4000 mAh battery, has fingerprint scanner, supports face unlock and weighs about 150 grams. So the phone has finally booted up and I've also gone through the setup process. This is how the display on it looks like. It's got an 18:9 IPS display with 800:1 contrast ratio and has a brightness of 400 nits. The display looks pretty good for the price. It's technically the same display found on the cheaper Zenfone Lite L1. The phone runs on Android 8.0 Oreo with the Zen UI 5 on top of that. So as I've told you previously, Zen UI feels smooth, but the animation speeds are a bit slow. It comes with some pre-installed apps like the whole Google package is there, also has some basic apps from Asus. And that's pretty much it. It's got very minimum bloatware and swiping right on the home screen brings the Google Now. Now let's check out the settings app. you've got pretty much the same settings. Let's see the storage section. It's got 32 GB of onboard storage, and out of that 23.24 GB of free space is available for use. Plus you can also expand the memory using a microSD card. Coming to the about phone, it runs on Android 8 Oreo with Zen UI 5 on top of that. Here's the Easter egg. And the security patch it's running is July 2018. So that was about the software info. Now I'll be using this phone for a few days before I can make a full review on it. This was just an unboxing and overview video. In the full review, we'll talk about the display quality, speaker quality, performance, gaming experience, camera quality, and also the battery life. So stay tuned for that video, we'll be posting it soon. That's it for today guys, I'll end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.